There is a room in the home sitting empty right now. No tenant, no income, no return. Just four walls quietly eating into a mortgage or a rent payment that still comes out every single month, whether that room is used or not. That is not a neutral situation. That is money being lost. Every month that the spare room sits empty is another month of paying full housing costs for a space generating zero return. 12 months of that. That is anywhere between $6,000 and $14,400 in uncollected income depending on location just gone. Not spent on something. Not lost to a bad investment, simply never earned because no action was taken. A long-term tenant covers that room consistently, month after month, with minimal effort involved. A short-term rental on Airbnb brings in more per night for anyone willing to manage bookings and turnovers. Either way, the room starts paying instead of draining.